A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will start lecture 13 of chapter 7 integrals. So class, in previous lecture I have discussed exercise 7.4 NCERT question and I have completed question number 16th. Question number 1 to question number 16th I have completed. So now class, today I will start from question number 17. So let us start. Now question number 17 is integration over x plus 2 dx whole upon root over x square minus 1. So see the solution. Solution is, first of all write the function which have to integrate. So x plus 2 dx whole upon root over x square minus 1, and this integration format we can write single integration in terms of two integral part, x time dx whole upon root over x square minus 1 plus 2 times integration over 1 upon root over x square minus 1 dx. Now this is the integration we have split into two integral part. Now we have to integrate. Suppose this is first part integral I1 and this is I2. We have to integrate separately. So we are going to first of all integrate I1. So for calculation of I1, integration over x dx whole upon root over x square minus 1, you will consider, let t is equal to x square minus 1. Now dt will be equal to 2x dx. This implies 1 by 2 dt can be written as x time dx. So 1 by 2 dt is the value x dx. So integration format will be here, means x time dx whole upon root over x square minus 1 can convert into dt by 2, and this is root over t, and its integration is 1 by 2 t to the power minus 1 by 2 dt, and its result is 1 by 2 into root t whole upon 1 by 2. So 2 will cancel out and result you will get root t, and the root t means root over x square minus 1. This is the integral part result, and I2 is formula format. So integral part result means integration result will be, its result is root over x square minus 1, now plus 2 times its result is log of mod of x plus root over x square minus 1 mod closed plus c. Now this is the answer. This is the answer. Now this question number 1 is completed. No, 17 is completed. Come to the next question. Now class, come to question number 18. Question number 18 is integration over 5x minus 2 dx whole upon 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. So now first of all you will write the integral part which I have to integrate the function. So 5x minus 2 dx whole upon this 1 plus 2x plus 3x square can be written as 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Now you have to change the numerator in terms of their differentiation, and denominator differentiation is, you know, 3x square plus 2x plus 1, that is 6x plus 2, 6x plus 2 is its differentiation. So now you have to convert its numerator in terms of their differentiation. So first of all you will take common. Common is 5. If you will take common 5 from numerator, then result will be x minus 2 by 5 dx whole upon 3x square plus 2x plus 1. And now 5 take outside the integral part and rationalize by 6. We have rationalized by 6. So 6x is here and 6x minus 12 by 5. 6x minus 12 by 5. So now first of all write in square bracket. So 5 by 6, see here, 5 by 6 integration over 6x minus 12 by 5 dx whole upon 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Now bracket closed. So 5 by 6 integration over denominator integration is 6x plus 2. So you have to convert in terms of 6x plus 2. So this one can be written as 6x plus 2 minus 2 minus 12 by 5 whole upon 3x square plus 2x plus 1 now dx. So in next steps 5 by 6 integration over 6x plus 2 and now its result will be 5 2s are 10, 10 or 12, 22 minus 22 by means minus 22 by 5 whole upon 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So this integration can be written as 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx minus 22 by 5 integration over 1 upon 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx, square bracket closed. So this integration have split into integral part. So now we have to integrate this both part. Now suppose this is the first part and this is the second part. So I1 and I2 is here. So now calculate first of all I1. How you will calculate I1? See, I1 is integration over calculation for I1. I1 is integration over 6x plus 2 whole upon 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx. Now in this question you will consider let t is equal to 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Now dt is convert into 3x plus 2, 6x plus 2 dx, and 6x plus 2 dx is the value dt. So integration will convert dt whole upon t, and dt whole upon t, you know its result is log of mod of t plus c. So its answer will be log of mod of t result is 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So this is the integration of first part. Now come to the second part. Second part integral is integration over calculation of I2, integration over 1 upon 3x square. So suppose I have taken 3 common, so x square plus 2 by 3x plus 1 by 3 dx. Now calculation of I2, so 1 by 3 integration over, this one can be written as x square plus 2x by 3 plus half of the coefficient of x, that is 1 by 3, and 1 by 3 whole square is 1 by 9. So 1 by 9 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9 we have operate plus and minus 1 by 9. So 1 by 3 we are going to erase the main steps. One by 3 integration over 1 upon, this is the formula of x plus 1 by 3 whole square, and this is the calculation of 3 minus 9 means 2 by this one can be written as root 2 by 3 whole square means 2 by 9, and this is the sign plus. So now you know 1 upon x square plus a square result is, in this question you will consider t is equal to x plus 1 by 3. This implies dx will be equal to dt. Dx will be equal to dt. Now integration will convert 1 by 3 integration over 1 upon t square plus root 2 by 3 whole square dt, and its result will be 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 by a. 1 by a means 3 by root 2 into tan inverse x by a means t. T by a means 3t by root 2. 3t by root 2. Now this is the integral of second part, and you can write, when you will take LCM, 3x plus 1 upon 3 is equal to t, and 3t value will be equal to 3x plus 1. So 3x plus 1, this is the value of t whole upon root 2. Now calculation will be 1 by 3 is here. So 1 by 3 will cancel out, and the result will be 1 by root 2 tan inverse 3x plus 1 by root 2. Now you will see we have the statement was 5 by 6 integration over, this term was 6x plus 2 dx whole upon 3x square plus 2x plus 1, and with minus sign 22 by 5 integration over 1 upon 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx. This was I1 and this was I2, and I1 result was log of 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So 5 by 6 log of mod of 3x square plus 2x plus 1. This is the result of first integral. Now minus 22 by 5, its result is 1 by root 2 tan inverse 3x plus 1 by root 2, and when you will multiply by 5 by 6, what you will get the result? Result will be 5 by 6 log of mod of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 5 by 6 multiply by this means 22 by 5 multiply by 5 by 6 into 1 by root 2, and the result you will get with the tan inverse 3x plus 1 by root 2. Now when you will calculate, 5 will cancel out, 2 11 2 3, now 11 by 3 root 2, 11 by 3 root 2. Now answer will be 5 by 6 log of mod of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 mod closed minus 11 by 3 times root 2 with tan inverse 3x plus 1 by root 2. Now this is the answer. This is the answer. See again. Now come to the next question. The next question is question number 19. Now come to the question number 19. Now question number 19 is 6x plus 7 integral over 6x plus 7 whole upon x minus 5 and x plus 5 in square root. So first of all, write the steps which I have to integrate. So 6x plus 7 dx whole upon x minus 5 and x minus 4. Now what we have to do? This integral part can be written as 6x plus 7 whole upon root over x square minus 9x plus 20. This is 5 4 the 20 and dx. Now you know its integration or differentiation. Suppose we are going to differentiate this function x square minus 9x plus 20, then you will get the result 2x minus 9. Now we have to convert this function in terms of 2x minus 9. So how you will convert this? See, I am writing here integration over 6x and plus we have to convert 9. So suppose 6x can be written as 3 into 2x minus 3 into 9. This is 27 and plus 7 is here and also 3 into 9. So 3 into 9 means 3 9s are 27, minus 27 will cancel out and the result will be same. And in square root, result will be x square minus 9x plus 20 dx. Now taking first 2 term, when you will take 2 term and 3 will take common, then result you will get 3 times in bracket 2x minus 9 and now plus 3 9s are 27 plus 7 that is 34 whole upon root over x square minus 9x plus 20 dx. Now this is the simplest form and we have to partially separate the single integration into two integral part. So result will be 3 times integration over 2x minus 9 dx whole upon root over x square minus 9x plus 20 and next plus 34 integral over 1 upon root over this expression is x square minus 9x plus 20 dx. Now we have reached at integral function which I have to integrate. Now suppose this is the first part I1 and this is I2. Now first of all I will solve I1 to come to the steps I1. See, for the calculation of I1 integration over 2x minus 9 dx whole upon root over x square minus 9x plus 20. In this question, first of all you will consider let t is equal to what? X square minus 9x plus 20. So let t is equal to x square minus 9x plus 20. This implies dt by dx is equal to 2x minus 9 by dx. So 2x minus 9 dx will convert into dt. So result will be integration over 2x minus 9 means dt upon root over t, and you know its integral is 2 times root over t. 2 times root over t, and we have the function product 3 with product 3. Now integral result will be 3 times, and this will be 3 times. So result will be, first integral result will be 6 times root t, and 6 times root t means this is the value of 6 times root t, and the t value you know, that is x square minus 9x plus 20. So 6 times root over x square minus 9x plus 20. This is the answer of first integral. Now we have to integrate second part. Second part calculation, see here. Second part integral I2. Second part is 34 integration over 1 upon root over x square minus 9x plus 20 dx. Now first of all we have to convert in complete square format. So result you will get 34 times integration over 1 upon root over x square minus 9 means 9 coefficient is the x, the coefficient of x is 9, and half of the 9, that is 9 by 2, and square 81 by 4. So x square minus 9x plus 81 by 4 plus 20 minus 81 by 4 and dx. So result will be 1 upon, this x calculation will be x minus 3 by x minus 9. This is x minus 9 by 2 whole square, and plus 24 is 80 minus, this is minus 1 by 2 whole square, minus 1 by 2 whole square. So this is the format of integrals which I have to integrate. So now come to the steps, next steps. This is 34 means 34 I am writing here, 34 integration over, when you will convert t, suppose we have taken t is equal to x minus 9 by 2, so dt will be equal to dx. This is linear, so format in terms of dt, result will be dt whole upon root over t square minus 1 by 2 whole square, and x square minus a square formula you already know, log of x plus, means answer will be 6 times root over x square minus 9x plus 20 plus 34 times, its answer is log of mod of t plus root over t square minus 1 by 2 whole square. Now plus c, and put the values of t. What is the values of t? T is x square x minus 9 by 2. When you will put t is equal to x minus 9 by 2, you will get overall complete result. So see here, answer will be 6 times root over x square minus 9x plus 20 minus, suppose this is plus 34 times log of mod of t. At the place of t you will put x minus 9 by 2 means 2x minus 9 by 2, and plus t means under root t square minus 1 by 2 whole square. This is the format, whole format, and whole format result is x square minus 9x plus 20 mod close. Now plus c. So this is the answer. This is the complete answer. Now question number 19 is completed. Arrow represent, this is its answer. Now come to question number 20. Question number 20 is integration over x plus 2 dx whole upon 4x minus x square. So first of all, what we will have to do? First of all, solution integration over x plus 2 dx whole upon root over 4x minus x square. Suppose in your mind you are going to differentiate this function and you will get the result minus 2x plus 4, minus 2x plus 4. It's a differentiation in your mind, that is minus 2x plus 4, and now we have to convert x plus 2 in minus 2x plus 4 term. So suppose this integral part we are going to write here minus 1 by 2, we have multiplied by minus 2 x plus 2 dx whole upon root over 4x minus x square. And now you can write this term minus 1 by 2 integration over minus 2x plus minus 2x minus 4, minus 2x minus 4 whole upon root over 4x minus x square, and now dx, and we have to plot minus 2x plus 4, minus 2x plus 4. So what we will have to do? We have to change minus 8 minus 4 can be written as minus plus 4 minus 8, minus 4 can be written as plus 4 and minus 8. Now this result will be minus 1 by 2 integration over minus 2x plus 4 dx whole upon root over 4x minus x square dx is here. Again this integration I have split into two parts. So minus 2x plus 4, and now minus 1 by 2 is outside the integral and outside the square brackets. So minus 8 integration over 1 upon root over 4x minus x square dx. Now bracket closed. Now see, when you will multiply, you will get the result plus 4, and you can integrate easily. You can integrate this part easily when you will consider t is equal to 4x minus x square. So you will get the result minus 2x plus 4 dx, and minus 2x plus 4 dx is dt. See in rough work. In rough work, let t is equal to 4x minus x square, then dt will be equal to minus 2x plus 4, and now dx, this is minus 2x plus 4, this is value dt. So integration will convert whole upon root t, dt whole upon root t, and its integration you know that is 2 times root t, 2 times root t. So what will be its result? Its result will be also 2 times root t. Now you can see its result will be minus 1 by 2, 2 times root t means t value put here 2 times root over 4x minus x square. So when you will see, when you will multiply by 2 times or minus 1 by 2, this is 4x minus x square. This will be its integration. In rough work I have solved it. Now minus 8, suppose we are going to solve this integral part. See here, to solve this type of integral 1 upon root over 4x minus x square, you have to make complete square method. You have to apply complete square. So minus 8 integration over 1 upon 4x minus x square. So half of the coefficient of x, that will be 2, and 2 square result is 4. So plus 4 minus 4 plus 4x minus x square dx. and now this one can be written as, this is complete integral part, so minus 1 by 2 times 4x minus x square, copy here, and minus 8. This format can be written as 1 upon root over 2 square, and you will take minus sign common. Minus sign common, result will be x square plus 4 minus 4x. So x minus 2 whole square dx. Now this is the integral format of x a square minus x square, and you know its result is a square minus x square is sin inverse x by a. So result will multiply by minus 1 by 2. First of all, you will see minus time minus root over 4x minus x square, and next minus 1 by 2 you will get the result plus 4 times into integration over a square minus x square, that is sin inverse t. At the place of t there is value x minus 2, so x minus 2 whole upon a. At the place of a there is 2, and now plus c. This will be the answer. This is the complete answer. See, I am writing here minus root over 4x minus x square plus 4 times sin inverse x minus 2 by 2. This is the answer.